When eggs are boiled, they are cooked till boiling point, and afterward, heat is turned off. They are allowed to cool before removing the shell. Several times removal of these shells can be more of a hard task, as some of the lumens of the egg would get attached with the shell, and when you force it out, it leaves with a substantial part of the egg white, making the whole process uneasy and an undesirable one. What some people would do so as to get this process to be something simple as add some detergent to the boiling water and thereafter put the eggs so they can all boil together. This practice is always successful in making the eggs peel smoothly, but it can be dangerous to our liver and our health at large. One of the functions of the liver is to neutralize the toxins in the food we eat. Adding detergents in the water you boil your eggs with indirectly contaminates the egg being boiled, because there are tiny pores on the shells of the egg through which the egg can absorb some of the water and its contents. When we consume eggs contaminated by such, the liver would have no option to try to detoxify. When we continue to give it such a task regularly, there comes a time it would be tiring, and this is mostly when liver diseases of several kinds could possibly set in. When the liver is damaged, other organs of the body would follow in a short time. Therefore, perish the ideology of boiling your eggs with detergents. You can use salt and still get the same result detergents would offer. Salt is not harmful to the body except for when consumed excessively.